ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino stands his ground that the probe on Manila Bay Dolomite Beach is not just politics. Yesterday, House Committee on Public Accounts Chair Terry Ridon announced the proceedings on the Manila Bay Dolomite Beach probe will begin in the week of November 17, 2025. But Davao City Representative Paulo Duterte said not to pretend being a champion of transparency if the motivation behind the pursuit is political. To recall, the Dolomite Beach makeover was a beautification project of his father, former President Rodrigo Duterte. In response to Davao Representative's remark, Representative Tino affirms this is not just for politics.
Well, again, squid tactics ito, no? Kapag ka mga Duterte na ang sinisingil, pamumuliti ka raw. No? Siguro, harapin ng diretso at sagutin yung mga tanong, whether tungkol sa confidential funds yan, tungkol sa Dolomite Beach, o maging sa flood control budget na 51 billion, flood control and other infrastructure projects na binuhos sa Davao City noong panahon ng previous administration.